Payal and once again back with SkyMet weather report. Monsoon rain is likely to revive from the first week of July, narrowing down the rain deficiency to some extent. The satellite image here clearly shows broken monsoon clouds over northeastern states, East India and the east and the west coast of South India. In fact, most parts of the country will witness a cloudy to partly cloudy day tomorrow except for West Rajasthan and Kutch area. Moving on to rain tomorrow, Northeast India and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal will receive good monsoon showers. Both the west and the east coast of India will also receive good showers. Dust storm followed by light rain is likely in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. Moving on to temperatures, beginning with northeast and northeast India. In view of light rain, temperatures are expected to drop marginally in North India. Your maximums will settle around 39 degrees. But cool weather continues to prevail in east and northeast India with day temperatures in lower 30s. Night will be warm in north and east India with minimums in mid-20s. In Delhi, maximum and minimum will be 39 and 29 degrees respectively. In Kolkata, maximum and minimum will be 33 and 27 degrees. Moving on to central India, sultry weather to continue in central India with maximums around 38 degrees in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. But in the absence of any rain, Gujarat will still remain hot. In entire central India, minimums will be in the range of 24 to 28 degrees. Maximum and minimum temperatures of Bhopal will be 39 and 27 degrees respectively. In Bhubaneswar, maximum and minimum will be 31 and 25 degrees. A quick look at South India now. With decrease in rain over Andhra Pradesh, temperatures will rise once again to settle around 36 degrees, and with hardly any rain, Tamil Nadu will also remain warm and humid. But places along the west coast will continue to be extremely pleasant. Similarly, night temperatures will be higher around 28 degrees in Chennai and Hyderabad than cities along the west coast. In Mumbai, maximum and minimum will be 33 and 28 degrees respectively. Maximum and minimum in Bangalore will be 31 and 22 degrees. That was today's weather update for India. For more info on weather and weather related topics, look through our website skymetweather.com.